Hello and welcome back to another episode of Meta Ads for e-commerce. And today we're going to see what are catalog ads. So catalog ads look something like this, and they are helpful when you want to advertise different variants of a product. For example, if you have a jacket but you have different colors and different patterns in it, you can use catalog ads there. You can basically advertise a lot of products in just one ad. We're going to see how to actually build it up and what we can do from there. Now, before we go there, I just want to share some results that me and my team at Salt Media have achieved for one of our clients. This client is a fashion brand, the jackets, the bags, etc. They were doing around 65 to 70,000 in the entire month of November. And when we took over from 15th of December, we allowed them to scale to a revenue of 6 lakhs in just 10 to 15 days. So you can see the difference from 60,000 in 30 days to 6-7 lakhs in just 10 to 15 days. And if you are an e-commerce brand and you're looking for similar results for your brand, you can book a call with us by using the link in the description. And I'll be happy to get on a call with you and discuss your business objectives and how we can help you grow. All right, so the very first thing that you have to do is open your ads manager. This is what my ads manager look like. We've already seen it quite a couple of times. Just go to the left panel, click on all tools and open commerce manager. You can see it here, commerce manager. Once you click on it, and there you go. You have different assets. There's a column for assets here. All right. Now when I go down, I can see I already have catalogs here, but you probably won't be seeing this. So how do you actually set up a catalog? You click on add a catalog. You go select e-commerce because that is what our industry is. Online products. Click on next. And there are two options. Either you can upload it manually, right, or you can connect a partner platform. So there's a thing called uploading it manually. What you can do is you can make a Excel sheet, write each and every details in it, like okay, dog bow, how many units are there? 10. And what is the price, what is the selling price, what is the cost, and how many variants are there, etc. So all the information, and you can just push it on the Facebook platform. I do not recommend this. You can simply just do it with a partner platform, because the advantage of this is whenever someone comes, whenever someone sees, what happens is, as soon as your inventory keeps going down, because we have connected it directly with our Shopify, Facebook automatically updates the inventory for the ads as well. Now this is very helpful. All right. Plus it's always better when you have a partner integration along with it. So just click on connect a partner platform. You have to select it from here. You select Shopify and go to your partner platform to complete your catalog setup. So what we do is we click on go to Shopify. Now, as you can see, it's asking us to install Facebook and Instagram app. We've already done it. We've already done it in the past. Still, we'll click on this, and it will log us in the store. Now we have to add it as a channel, but it's already installed for shop. So what we do is we just simply go back, click X, go back, and we directly go to the sales channel from here. All right, see, for me it's already approved and synced, but for you this might not be showing you. What you can do is you can go to settings and you can see catalog here. So here you'll get a button to connect it. Once you click on it, it will take some time and it will automatically connect your Meta with Shopify, and your products will be synced. All right. Once I go back, again back, and just like that, you'll be able to see a catalog here as well. All right. Now, once we go inside the catalog, let's see what options are there for us. We select the catalog, and you can see it looks something like this. There are 6 items in my catalog. When I click on items, I can see all the items. See, the reason why there are 6 items is because all these are 111, and the dog bone has 3 variants. If I'm not wrong, I created 3 different variants, which is why it's showing me as total 6 items. 4 items, but 6 variants altogether. All right. What we can do is, another thing that I want you guys to look at is sets. Now, what are sets? See, imagine you're a clothing company. Okay, you sell men's apparel, but there are different categories inside apparel as well. There's jackets, there's jeans, t-shirts, shirts, etc. So you can create separate sets for all these categories, all these subcategories, as I would say. My bad. I'll click on create set, and since I don't have a lot of products here, all I can do is just select it manually. I'll click here and I'll just name the set as food, dog food. All right, let's assume that this is a part of dog food and this is also a dog food. Okay, so I create a set of all this and add it here. It's as simple as that. Now I have a category for dog food. Similarly, what I can do is I can make a dog apparels, and I can add my bow and so whatever rest everything that I have. For example, if I have dog socks or anything like that, I can make a set out of that as well. So that is how you create a set inside a catalog. The reason I'm not showing you how to do it manually by uploading an Excel is because I don't recommend it. It's a lot of fuss, to be very honest. And if you are smart like me, you will use Shopify and you will use the direct integration Shopify offers with Meta. Now, once you've created the catalog, how to actually use the catalog, right? We go back to our ads manager. Click on create a new campaign. We get an option to select a campaign objective. Now tell me, what objective should we select from here? Should it be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales? And if you don't know the answer yet, go back to the first episode and watch it, because this is super important. This is where most people make mistakes. Anyway, we select sales. We can name our campaign. We are not doing that. Continue. Manual sales campaign. And we scroll down and we can see it here, use a catalog, right? This is what we select, use a catalog. Which catalog do we want? We want this one, Shopify product catalog. You can name it whatever the hell you want. I've just kept it like that. Rest of the procedure is same. You select your targeting, your blah 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 audience and everything. Yeah, see, it will come here, right? Find prospective customers even if you haven't interacted with the business. This is for finding new people, and you can also use catalog to retarget people. So once you click on it, you get an option to do previously I showed you how to retarget, and that was by creating custom audiences, but you can do the same from here if you're using a catalog. So this is one good advantage that you get when you use a catalog. You can see most of the things here: cross sell products, upsell products. You can target people who added to cart but did not purchase in the last, let's say, 180 days as well, if I'm not wrong. Sorry, that's a little too much. 102 days, for example, I can do that as well, right? So that's all about retargeting. If you don't know what is retargeting, you can click on the I button somewhere up here and see the video. Uh, now now when you are on the ads levels, this is what a catalog looks like. uh, as you can see, there are different catalogs. Sorry, there are different products for Instagram. Let's see how it looks like on Instagram. See, on stories, on Facebook reels, it looks like this, right? There's a product and it keeps swiping away like that. Instagram explore, Facebook, where is Instagram feed? Yes, this is what it looks like on Instagram feed. You get a button here and you must have interacted with such products. Now the thing is, Meta will pick up the pictures that you have on Shopify, right? Which is why we have the same pictures as Shopify, right? So this really helps you because you can streamline it. Most of the brands just use catalog because it helps them if you're an apparel brand. So it's against a white background, so your product stands out, right? Now for the headline, I put it as product name. So what happens is, if someone is seeing this product, in the headline they'll just see the name of the product, which is dog biscuit. When they slide it to the next one, they can see dog bow. When they slide it again, they can see dog bone. And when they slide, so it works like that basically, right? Which is why I just put product name, and you can add a description as well. You can write you can write a description, you can write a short description, right? Basically you can pre-make a description and just put it here, or you can pick it up from your website and just put it here, or you can write your custom one like I do, which I just write, this is the best site to get dog products, something like that, whatever you want to write. I'm just giving an example, don't use this. uh, this is a very pathetic copy, make sure you're not using that one. And this is where you can write your primary text. You can write more about, we our summer collection just dropped, make sure to check it out, whatever, right? See, copywriting itself is an art. It's a huge skill, a very beneficial skill. There are copywriters that are paid a buttload of money just because they can write good sales copy. Right? It takes time to master it. I'm probably not going to show you how to write a copy because I am myself not the best of copywriters. But you can find ton of videos on YouTube which will show you how to become a great copywriter, and you can follow through with those. Now, this is destination. All right. When people tap or click on the ad, will send them to a website or app depending upon where they're most likely to convert. But what we want is we want a manual destination. All right. Now, what happens is when someone clicks on this product, they will directly go to the page of this product. And when someone clicks on this product, on this image, they will directly go to the page of dog bow. This is why catalog is helpful. When you have multiple products, you can send people on specific pages through one ad itself, right? uh, Manual destination, see, we don't have to select app because we don't have, but you can put the name. What I usually do is I put the link of the collections here, right? This is when someone clicks on a specific button here, that is when they go to the collection, but otherwise they will go to each product page separately. And track, yeah, I think that is all here. That's all catalog is. It just helps you advertise a lot of products together. So that was all about catalog ads. If you have any doubts or queries, make sure you write it in the comments and I'll be very happy to help you out with it. Secondly, if you're liking the video so far, if you're liking the series so far, make sure you like and subscribe to the channels. It helps me be motivated to keep posting content like this. And if you're stuck anywhere, you can always go back to these videos, to any episode from the entire playlist, and get a better understanding. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video.